Ready to take your Jeep Wrangler to the next level? Whether you're conquering rocky trails or cruising the highway, the right tires make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the best tires for your Jeep Wrangler, so you can grip, rip, and ride with confidence. Let's roll! Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Nitto Recon Grappler at tire, a true all-terrain powerhouse built for adventure. With zigzag center and shoulder grooves, these tires dig into any surface, delivering impressive traction whether you're navigating rocky trails or wet roads. Staggered shoulder lugs amp up the grip in off-road conditions, while the deep sidewall lugs not only boost performance but also give your Jeep a bold, aggressive look. They're easy to balance, ride smoothly both on and off the road, and stay surprisingly quiet, almost like factory tires. Plus, they handle rain like a champ, making them a versatile pick for any Jeep Wrangler owner looking to conquer every terrain with confidence. At number 4, we've got the Forceum MT off-road tire, a beast built for the bold. These tires deliver incredible traction, especially on ice and snow, making them perfect for winter warriors and off-road adventurers alike. The aggressive tread bites into any surface, while still offering a smooth ride with surprisingly little road noise, just a slight hum on pavement, which is expected for MT tires. They fit great, look tough, and handle both on and off-road conditions with ease. Plus, they hold up well over time and offer fantastic braking performance. If you're after meaty tires that punch above their price tag, the Forceum MT off-road tire is hard to beat. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary BFGoodrich all-terrain tire, a perfect blend of durability, control, and comfort for both on and off-road adventures. Designed for light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers, these tires grip like a dream, thanks to their soft rubber compound, giving you the confidence to take on corners without slipping. They handle rain, snow, and even extreme temperatures effortlessly, offering year-round reliability. Unlike M/T tires, they stay quiet on pavement and are easy to balance, making daily drives smooth and enjoyable. With a reputation for lasting performance and a price that matches the quality, the BFGoodrich all-terrain tire is a top-tier choice for Jeep owners craving dependable traction in every condition. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Venom Terra tire, a fierce contender that delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. These aggressive-looking tires grip the road confidently in all weather conditions, from rain and mud to snow and ice. They ride smooth, handle well, and even brake with precision in slippery situations, making every drive feel secure. For the price, the quality is hard to beat, offering a balance of toughness and comfort that's rare in this range. Whether you're cruising the highway or tackling off-road trails, the Venom Terra tire brings serious value and performance to your Jeep Wrangler. And taking the top spot is the Travelstar Ecopath, that all-terrain tire, a true all-rounder that combines performance, durability, and affordability in one rugged package. These tires excel in rain and snow, grip confidently in mud, and stay surprisingly quiet on the road. They balance easily, ride smooth, and the thick tread pattern delivers solid traction for all your off-road adventures. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or road tripping through the desert, these tires hold up like a champ, staying in near-new condition even after tons of use. For Jeep owners seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank, the Travelstar Ecopath at all-terrain tire proves that top-tier quality doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag.